Hey guys, today I want to show you how to get this awesome 4K quality in your videos using After Effects and VideoProc Converter AI. Let's get into it. After you've edited your video, export it. Rendering the video in AVI format will be very large. A 20-second video will take up to 9 gigs of storage, so you need to convert the format. To do that, I'm using VideoProc Converter AI. First, go to the official website, which you can find the link in the description below. And YouTube, please don't take this video down like last time. You can clearly see this is the official website, right? You can see, right? Alright, left. Download the free trial, or you can just buy the full license version, which is very cheap for what it has to offer. For now, they're giving a huge offer and a giveaway for an older version for completely free. So don't waste your time and grab the offer while it lasts. And again, YouTube, this is the official website, okay? The link is from the official website and it's a giveaway, right? So I'm not trying to give away any of the paid version for free here, okay? This is the official website giving out for free. So just try to understand that. After you've installed it, it will check for your system compatibility. After it's finished, select Next and then this one. Now select Video Converter, then import the file you want to convert and copy my settings. As you can see, you can convert it into basically any video format that you want. For me, I'll choose this one. And don't forget to check this button. Now go to Target Format and under General Profiles, choose this one and set it to high quality. Then select Done. And then you can click this Run button. Now this is after converting it from AVI to MP4 format. And you can clearly see the drastic change in file size without minimal loss in the video quality. You can now upload it in any social medias. Now here comes the spicy part. If you want to upscale a video from 1080p to 4K, you can easily do that using this AI. You can scale up a video by 200, 300 and 400%. And enlarge it to 4K at most while delivering a natural result without noticeable artifacts and detail loss. Go to Super Resolution, import the file you want to upscale. You can also check the details of your file by clicking the eye icon here. I'm choosing Reality here because of my video type. If you want to upscale in animation or anime, you can choose Anime. Now select 2x or 3x according to your liking. For me, I'll choose 2x and just copy my other settings. You can also trim the video and upscale only the part you want. Now select Run to export the file. After it's finished, bring it to After Effects. Create an adjustment layer by clicking Ctrl, Alt and Y. Or you can go to Layer, New, and select Adjustment Layer. Now apply a good color correction to further elevate the quality. I'll link the video where you can download 3 of my premium color corrections. Comment down below if you have any questions, and if you want to know more about VideoProc Converter AI, just let me know. See you soon.